So we're just going to try and find out where there's a short. Now it's quite a low resistance short. It's about half an ohm that I can measure when I measure it from the 5 volts in from the power supply. But I'm assuming it's down on a voltage regulator somewhere. So what I've got is I've got a power supply all set up with all the leads and everything, and I can measure all the currents and whatnot. I know it's a 5 volts because the other currents on the other voltages are fine. So I'm just going to switch it on, and hopefully something's just going to glow. So let's switch it on. Oh, there we go. I think we've found our culprit. Let's turn it off now. So that's this little chap here. Oh yeah, it's getting nice and warm. So I think this is our problem.